Here's how you can receive money on the Western Union app. First, open the Western Union app. Once you're logged in, tap Menu in the top right corner. From here, select the Pickup Cash option to start the process of receiving your money. To collect a cash transfer, you'll need to visit a participating Western Union agent location. Make sure you bring a valid photo ID and the MTCN, which is the Money Transfer Control Number associated with the transaction. If you don't have the MTCN, contact the person who sent you the money and ask them for the transaction number. Enter the MTCN in the app when prompted to check the transfer details and see the current status of the transaction. Once the transfer is available for pickup, you can visit a participating Western Union location and collect the cash. To find a nearby location, open the menu again and select Find Locations. The app will show available Western Union agent locations where you can receive your money. Choose a convenient location and bring the required identification and transaction information with you. That's all for this video. Thanks.